Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about filter function in Spark SQL. So what does filter function does? So filter function filter the input array using the given predicates. So if you want to filter by putting any condition on the element which is present in the array, for that purpose we can use filter. So suppose there is an array and it has this kind of records in it. And if you want to put the predicate means this is the function or predicate. If you want to say that x equal to 300, so what it will going to return? It will return only this value, because this is the condition which is match. This is the condition which is matching in this elements of the array. So this is the only element which present in the array which is matching with this condition. That's why it will going to return this value. So for this purpose, if you want to do any kind of a filter in array by providing a certain kind of a function or certain kind of a predicates, we can use filter function in Spark SQL. Let's do an exercise to demonstrate filter function in SQL. So for this, I am creating this table. These are the attributes of the table. When this table gets created, so with the help of an insert statement, I will going to insert some data in it. Once the data get inserted, then what I will do, I will write this query. This query, what it is doing, first I am just creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table. In that CTE, I am going to use collect list function. So collect list function will going to create a column which is of an array type, and it is taking this AP salary as a parameter. AP salary is a column which is present in this table. So it will take all the element, all the records which is present in the AP salary, and it will convert into a list. And it will create a column, and the name of the column is AP salary list. This is the alias which we have given. Once this list column gets created, on top of that I am just creating a filter function. Not on top of that means on top of this CTE. So I am just creating a filter function. The expression is this one. This is the AP salary list. This is the list which we have created here with the help of a collect list function. And what I am just saying that if the module is 2, then 0. Sorry, if X module is equal to 0, then filter all the records from this list. And I am just giving the alias because it will going to create a column. Then I am going to give the alias as module 2, and from which table we are going to do, we are going to apply filter function. So we are going to apply filter function on this CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table, this CTE which we have created here. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name the notebook as filter. To do this exercise, I need to create a table and I need to insert some records in it. So we need to create two scripts. One script is to create the table and one script which has all the insert statements. So I have already created these two scripts. So this script is for creation of the table. Let me copy this script. Let me paste over here and let me run it. So Spark is creating this table. Table has been created successfully. Let's insert some records in it. So I have already created some insert scripts. Let me copy here. Let me paste here and run it. As Spark is executing these insert statements one by one, it will take a couple of minutes. So let's wait till all the execute statement executed successfully. Okay, all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's see the data in this table. So we can see these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Okay, now let's see how we can use filter function. But for the filter function, we need to create a array. So in this table, there is a no column which is of array type. So let's first create a array type column from this table with the help of a collect list function. So let me format it. Here we need to use collect list function, and here we are passing one column that is the array. Rename is AP salary. Okay, so this is the array type column, right? So what it has done, this collect list function takes all the record from this AP salary column and created a list. So let's convert this select statement into a CTE. Select star from. Okay, let me run it again. Now this CTE has been created successfully. It has a column AP salary list which is of array type, and it has a records in the form of array. Now let's use filter function to filter out element which present in this array list based on a certain condition. So how we can do it? So there is a function known as a filter, and here we need to pass two things. One is the column which is the array type. So this is the column which we have created here. This is of array type, and here we are just creating one function, that is a lambda function. We are creating the lambda function. What we are saying that x module 2 equal to 0. So what I am just doing here, on top of this list which we have created here, we are saying that if the record is module 2 is equal to 0, then filter all the records, otherwise left it. So we can see most of the things is modeled by 0, but let's see what it will going to return. We can see this is this condition, x module 2 is equal to 0 is matching with each and every element which is present in this array. That's why it is resulting all the elements. Now let's put another condition. So let me put this one. If x is equal to 0, then filter all the rows, all the records from this element where x is equal to this one. Let me run it. We can see there are 3 records which are matching. So the records which are present in this array, it has 3 records which has value this one. So we have seen here, whenever there is a requirement to filter some data from an array with the help of a certain function or a condition, we can use filter function to do that. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.